Welcome to our kitchen oasis. Today I'm going to show you how to make tempura sushi rolls. These luxurious sushi rolls are perfect for a special occasion. In this video, we focus on how to assemble and roll the tempura sushi rolls, so please watch our tempura and kakiage videos to learn how to make them. First, you cook the rice with slightly less water than usual. This is because you add vinegar when it's cooked. The rice and water ratio is in the description below. Please watch our how to cook rice video for more tips. While you cook the rice, you make sushi vinegar. In a jug, you put salt, sugar, and good old white vinegar. You could use Japanese rice wine vinegar, but to be honest, I can't tell the difference. So white vinegar is fine. Mix well and sushi vinegar is done. When the rice is cooked and still piping hot, you add sushi vinegar. Pour the vinegar onto the rice and mix in cutting motion like this, lifting up the rice from the bottom. As you mix, you fan the rice to cool rapidly. This will prevent rice from getting soggy. Next, you make teriyaki sauce. You heat the pan over medium to high heat and put mirin, the Japanese sweet rice wine, sugar, and soy sauce. I recommend Kikkoman. And you keep stirring as you cook. After a while, it will start bubbling up like this and get thickened slightly. Teriyaki sauce is done. Put it aside to cool. Assembling time. You put sushi rice on a good quality nori sheet on a bamboo mat. You spread the sushi rice evenly, leaving about 3 centimeters gap on the top end, so the sushi roll will seal properly. You place kakiage evenly like this, slightly off center closer to you. You may cut or break kakiage if they are too wide. You can add other tempura. I use green beans here for nice color. And then you drizzle about a teaspoon of teriyaki sauce. This is quite sweet, so please adjust to your liking. Then you add generous amount of Japanese mayonnaise. Now you roll the sushi. Lift the mat with your thumb and index finger. Hold the filling with the rest of fingers and roll without hesitation. Hold the sushi roll firmly, making sure it is sealed properly. Kakiage roll is done. Next one is a prawn roll. The same deal, you spread sushi rice evenly like this. You place prawn tempura, tail end sticking on both sides like this. And then you put sliced avocado evenly. You put generous amount of Japanese mayonnaise. Prawns, avocados and mayonnaise. Such a great combination. You drizzle about a teaspoon of teriyaki sauce evenly. You lift the mat with your thumb and index finger, hold the filling with the rest of the fingers and roll without hesitation. Hold the sushi roll firmly, making sure it is sealed. Prawn and avocado roll is done. After resting a few minutes and nori is sealed properly on the bottom, you can start slicing. Please use your sharpest knife to slice. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.